Right, good morning, everyone. So, let me introduce myself. My name is David Juan Tuti Krisnambela. I'm from class K2 2025. So, I'm going to present our group project about the maritime culture of Indonesia in the stream of local wisdom, modernization, and socio-ecological challenge. And we will put it into Blogspot after we finish our presentation. All right, so we're next to the first paragraph. Indonesia is often referred to as maritime nation. That this identity become meaningful when reflected throughout the daily experience of coastal communities who depend on the sea for their livelihood. For these communities, the sea is not merely a natural resource but a foundation of identity, values, and social order. Maritime culture remains a strong pillar within coastal society. However, it now faces pressure that challenge its continuity, and these pressures require a deeper understanding to determine how cultural identity can survive amid rapid change. Issues such as weakening transmission of local knowledge, unequal economic structure, unbalanced modernization, and ecological degradation illustrate how maritime culture is increasingly tested in the modern era. Local wisdom forms an essential part of maritime identity because it guides how communities interact with the sea and its function as informal ecological management system. TOWE 2020 explain that customary practice such as seasonal fishing bans or sea zoning have long regulated the use of marine resources, preventing excessive exploitation. These traditions are sometimes seen as barriers to economic progress, but in reality, they protect ecosystem and ensure long-term sustainability. Likewise, Heriawati et al. 2020 note that rituals like Hajat Laut strengthen social cohesion while affirming respect for the sea, demonstrating that maritime traditions are dynamic and adaptable rather than rigid practice from the past. Cultural regulation, however, is increasingly difficult because younger generations are becoming detached from traditional maritime knowledge, and many youths now view the sea as a less promising future. Emir 2021 observed that changing lifestyle, educational aspiration, and economic factors shift young people attention away from the maritime sector. Yet several educational initiatives have successfully revived interest by integrating local culture elements into school programs. This approach shows that the solution is not forcing youth to return to old ways, but combining cultural heritage with modern skills to maritime identity remains meaningfully in contemporary society. Modernization and technological change present both opportunities and risks for maritime communities. Digital archiving, for example, has helped preserve cultural traditions such as the Kenduri Laut in Aceh, making them accessible to future generations. Dahiyat et al. 2022. However, rapid industrial expansion and tourism development can marginalize local communities when policies fail to consider social and cultural context. Technology can improve productivity, but it can also widen economic gaps if small scale fishers are unable to compete with large industries. Therefore, Modernization must be approached carefully to ensure that cultural survival is not sacrificed for short-term economic gain. Socio-ecological challenge further complicate the sustainable of maritime culture. Muhajirin et al. 2023 explained that unstable fish price de- depend on middlemen and urgent economic pressure push communities to exploit resources more intensely. At the same time, environmental degradation such as coastal abrasion, coral reef decline, and climate change threaten the ecological system upon which tradition depends. Many maritime practices cannot survive without healthy ecosystems, so environmental restoration and policy support must go hand in hand to ensure cultural continuity. In conclusion, Indonesian maritime culture remains an essential resource of identity, ecological knowledge, and social cohesion. But its sustainability depends on the ability to integrate tradition with modern needs. Local wisdom must be preserved, modernization but be managed responsibly, and environmental protection must be prioritized to support coastal communities. Tradition should not be viewed as a relic of the past. Instead, it should serve as a foundation for sustainable development and a guide for shaping Indonesia's maritime future. And was the reference from Tuwe S 2020, Muhajirin M.E, Faharsi A. Wahid A. Emri, and A.E. Arif 2024, and the last one is Haryawati Y. Herdiani A. and Dimyati 2020. And here our blog spot the maritime culture of Indonesian in stream of local wisdom, modernization and socio-ecological challenge, published on December 12, 2025. You can see it, and that's all. All right, maybe that's all from me about the presentation. So thank you for watching and listening, and that's all for me, and see you again in the next time. See you guys.